Hi, my name is Rebecca Soulis, and I'm a nature educator and artist with ArtistsInspire. I live here in the Eastern Townships and work throughout different schools in the ETSB, the Eastern Township School Board. What I do is I developed a program to bring kids to learn more about the natural sciences through using art, to help them feel connected and understand their surroundings, and to give them a sense of space and curiosity about the natural world. Together, the students and I head outside to a natural area close to their school, whether it be a green schoolyard or a nature reserve in walking distance, or just a little patch that might have been forgotten, a wild spot right behind their school or in proximity to the school. Before we get started, the students and I choose a theme of our activity together, and we try and use a few guiding questions to help ground us in our curiosity and question what we're seeing and experience nature in a different way. And what else do you notice?
There's the stems are kind of big.
What color would they be? Some of the main questions are I notice, I wonder, and it reminds me of, to make links throughout our activity session together. And this will build over a 4 or 6 week program with the kids, so I get to see them once a week. Using STEM and the arts together is an incredible way for children to learn, especially out in nature. It gives them a chance to explore, touch, feel, use all their senses to really immerse themselves in the theme that you'll be studying. I've noticed that a lot of children who are less comfortable in indoor setting will really have an opportunity to shine once they're outside in nature, and they find their voice, whether it be through drawing the object they're looking at and exploring and asking questions, using the group to feel comfortable in sharing their experiences. Using art as a bridge for learning really helps awaken curiosity and observation skills with children. And it brings about a lot of self-confidence. And for those students who don't feel confident, they realize that they retain certain knowledge and that they build on knowledge that they've had their whole life but didn't realize that it might count for something. One project I usually use in the fall is based around trees. We use trees as a theme. Each child will choose a tree to visit over 4 or 6 weeks, and that'll be their tree to observe. From that observation, they'll take about 5 minutes to have a sit spot, a moment with the tree, to just gather knowledge using their senses and record the changes that they see throughout the fall. Children are often in awe at how quickly that a tree can change over the course of 4 to 6 weeks, and will record the data and take sketches and notes in a nature journal. This helps the kids also remember and build on their data collection skills.
I find that nature's cool and that stuff in the nature is interesting and cool, I guess.
The arts provides a diverse learning opportunity for them, gives them motivation, and it helps them apply creative thinking tools to the situations that they're thrown into based on their location, the temperature, and the season that they're in. STEAM reaches different types of learners. It's project-based learning, and it helps students get involved with the world surrounding them.